I want to present to you the first game that I ever made. It's called Guess the Number. So you generate a secret number between 1 and 100, and you ask the user to try to find it. So he types the number, and then you tell him if it's too small or too big until he can find it. So let's do that. So I will be writing this in Python, but the first time I made this program I did it in C, so maybe I will do a C version as well. Alright, now create main.py, and the first thing we need is to generate the secret number. So we need a random number generator. Random integer between 1 and 100. Good. And we need to ask the user to type a number. Okay. Next we need to read the number. And with that input, we need to change the line, which is a string, into a number. So number is going to be an integer from the input. However, if the user is typing, I don't know, a string like this, it's going to be an error. So we need to check for this, which is going to be a try. And if it's not a number, we want to print an error message. So okay, and if it's not a number, we want to continue back to the top. Then we need to check the range. So if the number is not between 1 and 100, we'll write an error message. Done, and we continue here. So this was checking for errors. Now we need to check if the number was found. So if the number is bigger than the secret number, we print this is too big. If the number is smaller, then we print this is small. Otherwise, we print oh, congratulations, you found the secret number in how many guesses? So we will need a formatted string here. Yeah, something like this. Alright, more readable. Let's put this here with a little plus. Alright. Okay, this is formatted. We need a space here. And we finish it like this. Alright, and because this is the end, we can break here. I think that's it. Use the input, check for errors. Too big, too small. Found it. Let's try this. So, aha, what is this? Oh, haha, I don't have a loop actually. Incredible. Incredible. I don't have a loop. Alright, that should fix it. This is because I had a bug with the previous recording, and this is the third time that I'm doing this. So obviously I skipped this single line here. Let's try again. Alright. Let's see. Too small. So 75. Too small. 83. 92. 95. 99. Wait, 100? Okay. I didn't create this variable here. Okay. Now it should work. Let's do it again. Small. T. 81. T2. Yes. And it didn't work because I didn't type correctly. Oh no, I didn't increment the number of guesses. So that's what happened when you do a recording 3 times and you get a bit tired of it. Anyway, too small, okay. Too small again. Too big. 77. Okay, 78. All right, this worked. Now that the program is working, we want to record the my scores. So we need the score file here, and then we want right, and we want to ask the user for his name, so it's going to be print enter your name. Let's add a little key here. Let's not be too rude with our user. So this is name equal input, and with the name we want to open our score file in append mode so that it doesn't overwrite it. Okay. Let's call it file. Okay, file, write. What do we write? We write the score, first space, with the name of the user and a new line. Perfect. Some spaces. Right. So now we will have all the scores saved in a little file. It's not going to be sorted, but at least we have all the scores when the player successfully find the secret number. Let's try this. Too small, 25, too small. Oh, too small means I should have gone 75. Okay, now too big. Okay. 65. Okay, 68, 69, 70. I'm not 23. 72. Alright, we found it. Let's verify that it's in the scores file, and we have nothing because I didn't call the function record score at the end here before breaking. And alright, let's go again. That should be small, too small, 83, 92, 89, 90. Alright, enter my name. So that's going to be Herman. And we made a mistake because we didn't change the score to a string. You cannot concatenate an integer. This is an integer here, and the rest is a character string, so we need to convert it. I'm really getting tired. That's why I'm forgetting things. Let's hope it's the last try. Too small, okay. It's always too small at the start. I don't understand. Too big. So 55. Wait, 51. Okay, nice. This time it's going to be Superman. Let's see if it's in the scores file. Yes, it is. Let's go for another one and see if we get multiple entries in the scores. Okay, so 50. It's always too big at the start, I don't understand. Oh no! That's the first time it's not too small. I'm confused. Okay, 12, 6, 3, 1. Okay, number 1. We had Superman, let's do Wolverine. Let's check the file. Oh, it's type. And it works. So here you have it. Guess the number in Python. The first game that I ever made when I learned programming.